This machine arrived in pretty good condition. It was clean on the inside, it was clean on the outside. The motor would run, but it never cut off. None of the keys worked, everything was stuck. It was relatively easy to get add and subtract working with liberal application of cleaning solution. Multiply and divide don't yet work because the carriage still sometimes sticks. Watch this. It shouldn't be too hard to get the carriage freed up, and then I will start to work on multiply and divide. Upper and lower dials clear very nicely. The keyboard clears nicely. I've never caught it in an addition or subtraction error. So I've just got to work on multiplication and division. But I think that's always the way it is when restoring this type of machine.